Hey everyone, welcome back. If Slack file previews are not working and maybe PDFs, images, or documents don't show a preview inside Slack, don't worry. This is usually caused by cache issues, network restrictions, or app glitches. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Slack previews require a stable connection. Open a browser and test a website. If your internet is slow, restart your router and try again. Step 2. Refresh Slack. Temporary glitches can block previews. Press Ctrl+R to refresh Slack or close and reopen the app. Step 3. Clear Slack cache. Corrupted cache files often cause preview issues. Press Windows +R, type %appdata %/Slack, delete all files inside, then restart Slack. Step 4. Try Slack web version. Log into Slack in your browser. If previews work there, the problem is with the desktop app. Step 5. Check workspace permissions. Some files may have restricted access. Contact your admin if previews don't show for certain files. Step 6. Disable VPN or firewall temporarily. Network restrictions can block preview loading. Turn off VPN or firewall briefly and test again. Step 7. Update Slack. Ensure you're running the latest version. Older versions can have bugs affecting file previews. Step 8. Reinstall Slack if needed. If previews still fail, uninstall Slack, restart your PC, and install the latest version from the official website. Most Slack preview issues are caused by cache corruption, network blocks, or outdated apps, and these steps fix nearly all cases. Follow these steps, and Slack file previews should work normally again. See you in the next guide.